Alright, so today I'm at Guizhou Waterfalls, or in English that would be Yellow Fruit Tree Waterfalls. It's supposedly the biggest waterfall in Asia. It's 74 meters tall and 81 meters wide, and it's pretty cool. So I'm inside the Guizhou Waterfall Scenic area. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's nice out. I wanted to get to the major waterfalls sooner than later so that I could get there with less people so I could take better pictures. So this is what I kind of wanted to avoid at all costs. Maybe go over where we're going. Just people everywhere. Super crowded. Super crowded. So here we're going into the Water Curtain Cave. I guess it's 134 meters long. And it's got a bunch of holes and springs and all this sort of stuff. So, and of course, it's got a whole bunch of people. Waterfall. That's pretty cool. It's not too wet anymore. But there's still a lot of people. This looks like a little viewpoint. So there's the curtain. This is us behind the waterfall. Pretty cool. So that was the waterfalls. The park itself is divided into 3 scenic spots. That waterfall, another sort of cave waterfall area, and then another waterfall. And you buy a ticket for the whole thing, and you have to take a bus to go around to each site. So that's how that works. So I'm at this place called Tianjin Cave. It's quite a nice place, but the problem is there's just so many people around. Like, you can barely even walk. You definitely can't sit down and just enjoy nature. It's a very peaceful place. They've got these stones on the ground or in the water that are quite nice. It's got this sort of feel of being in a garden. So I'm in these caves, and it's about the first time. There's such a labyrinth of pathways in here, and it's about the first time that I've been able to get away on my own. It's quite nice in here. There's no cell service either, so it keeps me from looking at my phone. It's quite a positive experience. So these are caves. Stalactites and stalagmites. So this is the third and final waterfall. There it is behind me. So that basically concludes my day at Guizhou. It was pretty good. This is a 5A site. I give it about 3. It was some beautiful nature, but it was massively busy. So many people. And that's kind of to be expected, of course, in China, but this one had no option for not being with the crowd. It's like you had to follow the tourist trail, and there was no alternative path. Usually when you go to these places in China, you'll have the places where the buses stop, but you also have the option of walking to those places. This one, I saw a couple of paths that would have allowed you to walk between the sites, but they were closed off and you couldn't get to them. And otherwise you were just stuck with massive amounts of tour groups, men smoking, women with their umbrellas, children with whistles and water guns, tour guides with their megaphones and their little flags. And it just gets tiresome. It kind of destroys the whole experience of the nature. So yeah, anyway, let me know what your thoughts are. Comments in the comments section, and I will see you in the next video. Peaceful waterfalls.